Hey guys, today I would like to share you how to turn off this update completely. This will happen when you update your iPhone to a beta version, and when there is an official version available, this will be appear all the time and ask you to update. But for some reason, if you want to do it and you don't want to waste your time, and I'm gonna show you how to turn it off completely. So now all you have to do, make sure you go to setting, and then from setting, you need to go to general and scroll down until you find date and times. Make sure you tap on it, and for set automatically, this option must be turned off. And from the date, you need to go back to like 3 days before. So now let me go to this. So let's say 28, and now go back. And now every time I lock and unlock my phone, I will not see this pop up anymore. And let me show you. Like you can see from my demonstration, there is no pop-up anymore. But what you need to keep in mind is to make sure you remember your date, because this is the 3 days before, and my date is it is on 1st of June. So if I change back into my date, you can see this pop-up will be appear again. So like I mentioned, you need to turn it off and manually put your date 3 days before or 4 days before. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.